And then suddenly gunshots ring out. What happens next will leave you stunned. Keep watching. What happens next will leave you stunned. Keep watching. Today you're about to witness a high-stakes manhunt. A ruthless criminal who shot 2 innocent people is on the run, and what happens when they corner him will shock you. Watch till the end. You don't want to miss this.
That was the metal flooring. You got up high?
Yeah.
Hold this door, hold this door, hold this door.
All the officers quickly take their position to arrest the suspect. But what happens next will leave you speechless. Stay tuned, because it's about to get intense.
Come over to here. Sarge. Sarge, move. Hey, get behind that engine block over there. Hey, behind that engine block. Hold that door.
All the officers move upstairs, closing in on the suspect hiding inside an office. Suddenly, the office staff comes out with their hands up. They surrender and hand over the keys. But what happens next is truly terrifying. Keep watching. It's about to get dangerous.
So on our radio, we're getting more shots fired.
All right, we're good. We gotta take this start. Hey, we need access to these doors.
Hey, we just heard another fire shot down here.
Hey, get your hands up!
Hey.
All right, hands on your head.
Find out, turn around.
Everybody stand by.
Keep that door. Back up.
What do you got?
I'm a supervisor. I was just making communication.
Okay, come back.
Are you able to open that door for us?
I am, sir.
Give me your key card.
Where's your key card at?
Come behind me.
Absolutely.
We'll take it. Okay. This slides. This goes down there.
The officers storm into the office, but the suspect is nowhere to be found. They quickly spread out and start searching again.
I'll swing it over for you guys, all right? I'm gonna swing it up. You ready?
Yeah. I'm clear right. Come with me.
Not clear. Hold left. Hold it. We'll hold left.
Okay, I'm clear right. Guys, push up. Hey, we need that key card over here, bro.
All right, I'm pushing back to you guys, okay?
Yep.
Which one you need? Door right by us.
Oh, shit.
We're getting stimulus.
And then suddenly gunshots ring out. What happens next will leave you stunned. Keep watching.
Okay, I got somebody down in front of me.
got somebody there.
1, 3.
10, 5, 6, maybe. Let me see your hands.
Hold right.
Hold on.
We got that stairwell.
Sheriff's office.
Holding this.
Yep.
Okay, he's in here.
Hold left. Watch his hand. Be careful. Watch his hand.
We're really sorry, but we can't show the rest of the footage. It's extremely graphic, and we've been asked not to share it. Here's what we can tell you. The suspect was eventually caught and taken to jail. If you want to see more intense real-life cases like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We work hard to bring you these videos, and your support truly means a lot. Please subscribe. In the second video, watch how police take down a thief hiding inside a mall in one of the fastest, most tactical arrests you'll ever see. It all goes down in a second, and it gets intense.
He's over here. He's over. What is it?
For them to say whatever they're going to say. 682, are we okay with that? With the officers inside here? We'll make contact with them and get them handcuffed? Why are you making such a big deal? I don't know.
Stand by just a second.
Bro,
Oh, man. You gotta make sure so people get the email sent out saying they located this guy and took him into custody.
This is not that complicated.
I know.
bro, I don't get why we grab him. What's the problem?
I don't know.
You want to do? The longer we wait, he has a gun on him, bro. We waited this long.
Yeah, and
He's clueless right now, dude.
I
I'm gonna spit off.
The police wait patiently, holding position for the perfect moment. And when the time is right, watch what happens next.
He has the intention of coming out anytime soon.
You'll handle with 36 from the subject. I'm scared of more.
Now it looks like I have a deal mark.
I'm scared of more, bro.
No, most definitely, I understand. It's just frustrating.
And we were clear on
a lot of resources up on for many hours, just walking around the mall, and that's what I understand. He's by himself right now, and we don't go about
3 cops.
really strong to be able to hold him and put him in because I can talk to him, but she's super I'll explain the situation, but every time, a lot of resources.
Because the suspect is inside the mall, calmly eating, surrounded by women, children, and innocent people. One wrong move, and it could have turned into chaos.
You're not, bro. I'm not.
No, I'm not.
What you say?
There's some, we just want to try to wait for him to come outside. He's going to be in this mall all day, so what you're doing is tying up a lot of resources for hours just to get him in custody when he's by himself eating.
But why did they make a big deal?
I don't know.
But what's the problem with them? I'm gonna grab him? I'm on duty.
It doesn't make any sense. No sense at all.
You don't know where you went. If you had a fight on, he catches on, now it's a problem.
Exactly. Could have went right behind him, grab my hey, you're under arrest about this one. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna figure this out. You know, we can hold it. 5 minute or dinner.
Control his hand, that's it.
That's it.
Because what's he doing, right?
Did you hear that Scott wants to start making phone calls to all APD to see if we can take over Samuel's spot? He's like, yeah, I'm not gonna hit up Joshua, I'm gonna hit up someone. He's like, who? I told him. And then he started questioning me about you guys making money. I was like, as far as I know, they make more money over there.
Yeah, I do.
That's why he asked me. He's like, yeah, I would ask you.
21.
You're free to go ahead and contact him since you told me that he's not going to leave the mall. Swap the support outside. If you get anything that's involved in what kind of conversion of stores to go by the court, just tell us how you're going to approach it as you approach the original store.
Officers stay completely calm, holding their positions with full patience, eyes locked on the suspect, watching his every move. And now, watch closely. The moment they get the right chance, it's game over.
Relax your hands, okay? I'm down. Relax.
You got a warrant for your arrest. Relax. Okay? Relax. Deep breath. Calm down. We're good.
It's gonna be okay, buddy. We're gonna figure out the warrant, okay?
All right? So just relax. Everything's okay. We're gonna be okay. All right?
682, we got him in custody right now.
Everything's okay.
We're gonna be walking out to court.
So this is what we're gonna do, all right? We're gonna stand you up. We're gonna pat you down. You have anything on you?
I don't.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you stand up, okay, buddy?
Okay.
How's your day going other than this?
I'm okay. I just have class that starts.
If you've made it this far, thank you. We truly appreciate you. We work hard every single day to bring you real intense stories like this. Your support keeps us going. So please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to us.